Hi guys, today we compare Google Pixel 9 Pro versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The Google Pixel 9 Pro will launched on October 2024. The price is not available. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra launched on January 2024. The price is $1,099. The dimensions: Google Pixel 9 Pro height 6.2 inch, width 2.94 inch, thickness 8.9 mm, height 6.47 inch, width 3 inch, thickness 9.5 mm. The weight of Google Pixel 9 Pro 206, Oppo Find X7 Ultra 220 gram. The build: front and back glass and titanium and aluminium frame and eco leather back of Oppo Find X7 Ultra, and the both mobile come with dual SIM. The Google Pixel 9 Pro come with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size of Google 6.34 inches, the Oppo 6.82 inches. The resolution is 2K in both mobile, and the PPI dynasty: Google Pixel 9 Pro 522, Google Oppo 510. The refresh rate is 120 Hz in both devices, and the screen to board ratio: Google Pixel come with 87.4% and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra 90.3%. The screen protection: Google Pixel 9 Pro come with Corning Gorilla Glass Armor 2 and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and the both mobile come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The Google Pixel 9 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and it's record 4K 120 fps with the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with quad camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, 2.8x optical zoom, 50 megapixel periscope tele 6x optical zoom, and 50 megapixel ultra wide hassle color calibration, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The Google Pixel 9 Pro come with 10.5 megapixel 4K 60 fps video record with selfie camera, and the Oppo come with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60 fps video record. The Google Pixel 9 Pro come with octa-core Nano-core Cortex X4 3.98 GHz CPU. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra octa-core Cortex X4 3.3 GHz CPU, and the chipset: Google come with Google Tensor Gen 4 3nm chipset, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset, and the GPU is Google Pixel 9 Pro Immortalous G730 1 GHz, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra Adreno 750, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Android 14 ColorOS 14 operating system. The Google Pixel 9 Pro come with Android 15 operating system. The memory of these devices: Google Pixel 9 Pro come with 16 gigs of RAM, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra 16 and 12 gigs of RAM. And the internal storage: Google Pixel 9 Pro come with 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 gigs and 1 TB. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra 256 gigs, 512 gigs and 1 TB. No SD card, no nano memory card support in these mobiles. The battery backup of these mobiles: the Google Pixel 9 Pro come with 5050 mAh battery. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra 5000 mAh battery. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 100 watt fast charging, and the Google Pixel 9 Pro come with 30 watt fast charging. Google Pixel 9 Pro come with 23 watt wireless charging, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 50 watt wireless charging, and the both mobile come with 5G network support. The common and the feature in both the device: it's come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, infrared port, Type C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0, IP68, dust and water resistant, emergency SOS system via satellites. And the result of these devices: Google Pixel 9 Pro go 23 points, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra go 22 points.